In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free credits in ElevenLabs within just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to explore new tools for text-to-speech, experiment with sound effects, or even play around with voice changers, ElevenLabs has got you covered. And the best part? You don't have to spend a dime to get started. So let's dive right in and get you set up with some free credits. First things first, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable using. Once you have your browser open, navigate to the ElevenLabs website. The link should be easy to find or might even pop up with a quick Google search. Now, when you arrive at the home page, let your eyes drift towards a button or link that says, Get Started Free. It's usually quite prominent and inviting, designed to catch your attention. The next step involves clicking on that inviting Get Started Free button. This button is your gateway to accessing the free plan offered by ElevenLabs. Now, it's time to sign up. You'll find that ElevenLabs offers a few different ways to create an account. You could opt to sign up using your email, which is quite straightforward, or use a single sign-on option if that makes things easier for you. An SSO could be Google, Facebook, or another provider they offer. During this process, you'll need to provide some basic information to complete your sign-up. Ensure the email you provide is one you can access easily, as you'll need it for confirmations or future logins. Now that you're all signed up, here's where the magic happens. As soon as your account is set up and verified, you'll automatically receive 10,000 free credits. These credits are like your monthly gift from ElevenLabs, and they renew every month. But what can you do with these credits? Well, they open up a world of possibilities. You can utilize these credits for a variety of applications. Whether you want to convert text to speech, apply a voice changer, add unique sound effects, or even use the voice isolator tool, these credits are your ticket to getting creative with all ElevenLabs has to offer. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully set up your free account with ElevenLabs and have a nice chunk of credits to play with each month. So go ahead, let your creativity run wild, and explore the exciting tools at your fingertips. And if you find yourself loving it and needing more, ElevenLabs offers additional plans to suit your expanding needs. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and happy creating!